SSP Alex Mbarara oriyo muhwezo wa Regional Police Commander ahabwe cyange cya Rwenzori East no hamize ngunka polisi behire okuhaburwa okurebeka ngwe mishango y'ibari kutwara umukoti iyo nati yamara bwire bwa koti na nabanta barukuba bakozere mishango.
In the next course of action, I promise that as police we shall improve and we shall welcome all positive criticisms from all players. We call upon your guidance where you need us to improve, because this space, as I've said, needs commitment and sacrifice. I'd also request that we go an extra milestone into the community where we get witnesses who provide us with the statements, who have a role in the preservation of maybe some exhibits, that they must know the rate at which we are operating.
Mande bwambade oriyo muhwezo wa chairman w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Kasese nagira ngunga district bahire yitaka eriyo kombeka hukote nkure ya Kasese nobwera yabeta kombekirwe.
And that's why in the district council we allocated 1 acre. We allocated 1 acre, and I even said it when we were saying we shall give 1 acre. I even said myself that even when you want staff quarters, we can squeeze some half acre somewhere and you build the staff quarters.
Abantu batari bamwe na bamwe okurugombe tongore bitari bamwe na bamwe abashikira ha mukorogo ebintu byo bagambere.
I want to highly commend the resident judge, the advocates, the state attorneys, Uganda Prison Services, Uganda Police Force, the assessors, process servers, staff of the judiciary, and all stakeholders who work tirelessly to ensure that justice is not only done, but is done in a timely, fair, and transparent manner.
My Lord, we are humbled to learn that everything is possible for as long as the right step is taken.
From prisons, my Lord, I don't have any committal there. What does it mean? Security-wise, I'm not bad off.
Honorable Justice Lawrence Tweyanze oriyo muramuzo mukuru ahabwa kote nkure ya Kasese we nagira ngo kibire kitanguhi okumara emishangwe kurengo muri 2024 ombero nshanje byonka.
It is the first of its kind in the history of the judiciary to have 0 committed cases. People are reporting badly that backlog. No. All committed criminal cases, the department or the department of High Court in the prisons is empty.
Obwahati kote nkure ya Kasese ne korombye mbeko bemwena na magistrates kote ya Kasese obwe bategereze kutandika kombeka kote nkuru amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.